We're at HMC Farms. We've got peaches, plums, nectarines, and table grapes. We have about 2,500 employees, and we farm about 6,000 acres. In our fields, we use burros. We're experimenting with Tevel, advanced farms. We use aerobatic drone flights for managing our crops. To adopt these automations, it's usually we'll work with the company that's providing it, and they'll bring out a training group, and we have some hand-selected employees of ours that we have kind of cultivated, and they are our innovation leaders, and they'll help us, implement all this new technology we're bringing on. I think this FIRA tour was extremely fun. I love talking to, people from outside the country and international groups and people that have different issues, but it's all the same issue at the end of the day. So it's always fun to get outside of your box and to be able to experience more and to be able to show what we do because we love what we do. So tour like this is one of my favorite things to do of the year.